Good afternoon. It's Sally Showman. I'm watching the most recent model runs come in this afternoon for this big rain event we have headed our way and potentially winter weather headed for the gorge. So here is what's going on. The state completely covered in watches and warnings. The green west is a flood watch in effect until Friday night. And then all the blues and the pinks, that indicates winter weather type warnings. So 1 to 3 inches of rain possible in the valley, much more in the Coast Range and the Cascades. Through the gorge, there's a fair amount of uncertainty about the type of winter weather headed to the gorge, or if we will see much winter weather at all. It all depends on how much cold air gets into the gorge later on tonight. So potentially 4 to 6 inches of snow in Hood River. That's on the high end. We could see less than that with much more over Mount Hood and in Parkdale. East of the Cascades, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories in effect all the way through Thursday at 7 p.m. So here's the timing. Watch that rain as it moves on in. Here's 9 o'clock in the evening tonight. So the rain just starting to fall in Portland. Falls all night. This is 6:30 in the morning, a messy morning commute, and you'll notice east of the Cascades, we've got that snow coming down also through the central and eastern gorge. Now, there is a transition to freezing rain or sleet and eventually all over to rain through the gorge, but the rain continues west of the Cascades, heaviest tomorrow evening and overnight, and then spotty showers develop throughout the day on Friday. Some of those could be heavy, so we'll be tracking it all. It looks like the biggest effects on the rivers will be late Thursday and Friday after about 24 hours of rainfall. So one more time, I want to show you what happens through the gorge. Potentially, this is 2 a.m. You can see we've got winter precip through the gorge. 7 a.m. looks like mostly snow from Hood River through the Dalles and east. That pink is freezing rain, so the potential's there for some freezing rain or sleet. And then we switch all the way over to rain as warmer air makes its way into the gorge. So we will be tracking all of this very closely here in the Weather Center. Kristen will have another update in the coming hours. Have a good day.